OFW sir, nawalan ng trabaho. Pwede ba mag-loan sa Pag-ibig? Answer, yes. Please watch the full video. Alright? So ang concern ni sir na OFW na unemployed ngayon is that pwede ba daw siya mag-loan ng MPL? Answer, yes sir. Provided po active member tayo ni Pag-ibig. Ibig sabihin, kahit unemployed po tayo, as long as yung monthly contributions natin is updated, meaning we continuously pay our monthly contributions kahit wala tayong trabaho. And of course, sir, i-update din natin yung employment status natin from employed to self-paying. Yes, sir. Ito na po yung screenshot ng conversation namin sa friend ko na PACD officer sa Pag-ibig. Ay, miss. Hindi na natin i-mention ang name kasi meron tayong Data Privacy Act, no? So, Miss PACD na lang tayo. Hi, Miss PACD. Officer, if unemployed si member, ano dapat gawin para makapag-MPL siya? For example, March 2023, siya nawalan ng work and stop din monthly contributions niya. Bayaran ba niya March 2023 to October 2023 or current month lang? Ito po yung sagot ni Pac friend natin. Hello sir, yung current month lang po sir. Bawal na balikan kasi yung past months. He. I believe need niya i-update employment status from employed to self-paying, right? Yes po. Dala na lang din siya ng COE. Ano po yung COE? Certificate of Employment na naka-indicate when ang last date duty. Tama naman. So, importante na meron tayong Certificate of Employment sa previous employer natin. Wherein nakaspecify doon kung kailan ang last date of work or duty. So, yan ang i-present natin sa Pag-ibig. Nasagot na natin ang question mo, sir. Punta agad sa Pag-ibig. Pay your current month na contribution. And after 2 to 3 days, ma-post po yan. Pwede na po tayo maka-MPL. Magkano yung MPL natin? 80% ng pondo ninyo or 80% ng tab or total accumulated value. By the way, tab includes principal amount, lahat ng hulog po ninyo from day 1 up to present and dividends po ninyo na na-earn sa Pag-ibig. Times 80% po, yan ang loanable amount. Alright? Hope na nasagot natin ang question ni Sir. Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.